In recent years, Russian Railways has been undertaking extensive modernization of its rolling stock, driven by both the pursuit of import substitution and the objective of enhancing passenger service quality and convenience. One of the principal initiatives within this program has been the development and deployment of the fully Russian electric multiple unit Finist, a modernized and technologically sophisticated train engineered to address current passenger requirements. The train is now extensively operating on routes ranging from suburban lines to interregional corridors. The name Finist originates from Russian folklore and refers to a legendary heroic firebird symbolizing rebirth, agility, and power. The name was selected through a public poll conducted on the official Russian Railways website, with participation from tens of thousands of respondents. This choice emphasized the transition away from foreign platforms toward a completely domestic product that has emerged as a new symbol of Russian railway engineering. Before the introduction of Finist, Russian Railways widely operated the Lastochka electric trains, which were based on the German Siemens Desiro platform. Introduced during the 2010s, these trains were used on suburban and interregional routes and became known for their speed, reliability, and passenger comfort. They were adapted for Russian climatic and operational conditions and became a familiar sight across the network. Over time, sanctions pressure and the withdrawal of Siemens from the Russian market made long-term support for foreign technologies increasingly difficult. In response, Russian manufacturers, primarily Sonara Transport Machines and the Ural Locomotives plant, launched a fully domestic development program based on the ES104 platform. This new approach incorporated exclusively Russian traction equipment and components. The objective was not partial localization, but complete import substitution, with the share of domestically manufactured components approaching 100%. As a result, by the end of 2023, the first Finist electric trains entered regular service. These trains formally replaced the foreign-derived Lastochka within the Russian Railways fleet. The Finist electric train is built on the ES104 platform and features a modern 5-car configuration. It offers an increased capacity of approximately 416 passenger seats, exceeding that of its predecessors. Seating is arranged in a 3-and-2 layout without face-to-face configurations, in line with contemporary standards for passenger comfort and ease of movement. The train set includes 3 lavatory modules, which is one more than on the Lastochka. Each seat is equipped with USB charging ports, and advanced climate control systems maintain stable temperatures throughout the train. Elevators and designated spaces for passengers with limited mobility are included, significantly improving accessibility. Expanded luggage storage areas address the evolving needs of modern travelers. The maximum design speed of the Finist train is 160 kilometers per hour. This makes it suitable for high-speed suburban and interregional services. As a result, Finist occupies a competitive position among modern electric multiple units intended for medium-distance routes. In addition to the standard ES104 version, testing has begun on the ES105 Finist. This dual-system variant is designed to operate on both alternating current and direct current electrified lines. Such capability substantially increases operational flexibility, particularly on routes with mixed power supply systems. The first Finist trains entered service on the Sverdlovsk Railway, where they replaced aging rolling stock on suburban roads. This included services linking Yekaterinburg and Kamensk-Uralsky. Deployment expanded rapidly, and by the end of 2024, Russian Railways had received 16 train sets, with additional deliveries planned for subsequent periods. Finist has also proven effective on interregional services. One notable example is the Yekaterinburg to Kurgan route, where the train operates under designated interregional service numbers. This demonstrates its suitability for longer routes and its ability to meet a wide range of passenger demands. Looking ahead, Russian Railways plans to procure additional Finist train sets during 2025 and 2026. These will include both ES104 and ES105 variants. The trains are expected to be deployed across numerous regions, including Nizhny Novgorod, Chelyabinsk, Yaroslavl, Leningrad, Rostov, Primorsky, and Altai regions, as well as Bashkortostan and Dagestan. The Finist program emphasizes not only technological independence, but also a strong focus on passenger experience. Travel on Finist offers a distinctly modern environment aligned with current expectations for comfort and convenience. Passengers benefit from more spacious interiors, improved ergonomics, and upgraded onboard amenities. Particular attention has been given to accessibility. The inclusion of elevators, dedicated wheelchair spaces, and specialized facilities allows passengers with limited mobility to travel with greater comfort and dignity. This reflects broader trends in inclusive transport planning, especially important for large metropolitan areas and long-distance regional services. Development of the Finist platform extends beyond conventional electric train designs. According to Russia's Ministry of Industry and Trade and representatives of the railway sector, work is underway on an autonomous or driverless version of Finist. Key development milestones are expected to be reached by 2025, marking a significant step in the digitalization and automation of passenger rail transport. At the same time, engineers are evaluating potential adaptations such as hybrid propulsion systems, increased onboard autonomy, and solutions for operation on partially electrified or non-electrified routes. These developments are intended to expand operational flexibility and reduce dependence on fixed infrastructure. The introduction of Finist represents more than a simple fleet upgrade. It is a strategic industrial initiative aimed at strengthening domestic engineering capabilities and reducing reliance on foreign technologies. The exit of international suppliers accelerated the creation of a fully independent platform, demonstrating the adaptability of Russian industry to external pressures. From an economic perspective, the Finist program supports skilled employment, reinforces domestic supply chains, and advances expertise in railway engineering. Over the long term, this contributes to the resilience and sustainability of Russia's industrial base. The Finist electric train has emerged as a new symbol of Russian railway development, combining modernization, passenger comfort, and strategic technological independence. Operating on both suburban and interregional routes, Finist meets current transportation needs while laying the foundation for future innovations, including autonomous rail operations. As the fleet expands and deployment widens, Finist is set to become a central element of Russia's passenger rail system for many years to come. If you liked the video, please subscribe, share, and like. Also, please take the memberships to encourage us.